All right, here's how my marinated beef baby back ribs turned out. I say they turned out pretty good. I slow cooked them in a 300-degree oven for like 40 minutes. And then I put it on rotisserie roast for like 20 minutes to seal the deal. Here are the seasonings that I used. Black garlic powder seasoning, minced garlic and parsley, and black garlic puree. And of course, I'm gonna cut into it and let you see how juicy and tender it is. Okay, I let this rest for like 20 minutes and see how juicy the meat is, how highly seasoned it is when you marinate it. Let's give this small piece a try. The meat is caramelized. Nice and tender. That's a big bite. The caramelization on that meat is outrageous. Guys, do yourself a favor and marinate your meat sometimes. Your family will fall in love with you and appreciate you. I'm a big foodie, and if I'm going to eat, I want to eat well. I want to take my time and prepare well. So these are just some helpful tips. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all your support. You're truly an angel. God bless.